In this video, I will show you how to make an Instagram Threads account. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you want to do is open up Instagram on your device. And then what you need to do from here in the bottom right hand corner, you want to click onto your profile icon. Next, come up to the three lines in the top right hand corner, press onto that and you should see Threads on here. Now, if you don't see it on here for any reason, then go onto the Play Store and you can download Threads. If you're using an iPhone, go onto the App Store and again type Threads. But if you do see the option for Threads, what you want to do is press onto that and it's going to take you across to a screen like this. At the bottom, you're going to see it says Get Threads, so you want to press onto that. And what that's going to do is take you across to a page like this. So as you can see, it says login with Instagram at the bottom. So you want to make sure you're logged into the correct Instagram account that you want to open up a Threads account for. If this is not the account, underneath you're going to see it says Switch Account, so you can press onto that and change your account. Once you're happy, press the login with Instagram button and it's just going to take a minute or two to get everything ready. Next, what you're going to want to do is just create your profile. So you can enter things like a bio and you can also add a link if you want to and your profile picture. What you can also do is click import from Instagram, click OK, and what it's going to do is import all your information from Instagram and automatically import that into Threads. If you want to skip this step for now, you can also click the arrow in the top right hand corner. Once that's done, click the continue button underneath and choose whether you want to set a public profile or a private profile and then click continue underneath. Now what you can do is follow any account that you have followed on Instagram, so you can see all the accounts I followed down here, but what you can also do is click into the search box and go ahead and type some accounts into here, or if you just want to follow all accounts, click the follow all button underneath. If you want to skip this step for now, again click the arrow in the top right hand corner. Next, what it's going to do is give you a brief overview of how Threads works, so you can read through this quick and then click the join Threads button at the bottom. And as you can see, we've now got our Threads account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.